Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair, 2015 Volkswagen GTI. We are doing some headlight bulbs, HID bulbs in fact. Doing both sides. Passenger side went out, driver side went out, so that's a good indicator that the bulbs themselves are bad. They both go out at the same time, likely have some sort of other issue going on. But these are the bulbs. I've already done the driver side. The driver's side is pretty much the same as the passenger side, except for one thing. Here's your hood release cable. This cable pulls out a little bit. See this little indentation right here? It holds this bracket piece right here. Once this is pulled out, the ball and nub sit in here, so you're able to take this bracket piece out of the way in order to get the headlight assembly out, so that way the cable is not stretched. It's basically split in half. So good idea, Volkswagen. I like that. Basically they say you gotta take off this whole front clip. I loosened it up. I didn't take it off all the way because I think my motto usually is less stuff will take off the better. So 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here. Front grill assembly comes off, which is going to be some Phillips head screws right here, 10 here, 10 there, and it just basically pops itself out. For the clip, see how I just got it loose? I got it just enough to get to this Torx bit you see right there. Got that one there, got one down there, which is going to be a 10. So you got 1, 2, 3 10s, 10 there, 110, 210, 310, and a Torx, and the headlight assembly will come out. Now take off the bumper cover. Going to be 3 Torx bits and 1 Phillips head facing straight up. So it's going to have one facing right up here, and then 3 Torx bits. And then I loosened up the other Phillips head screw that was down here just to give it more play to pull it out. So 2 Phillips, 3 Torx. Clip will pull enough forward in order to make it easy. There's also Torx bit's going to go here. Sorry, Phillips here, Phillips there, and then this will pull it far enough out so that you can get this clip pulled enough forward in order to get the headlight assembly out. But basically same side for both items. See, this one's already removed, so I've just been able to move it out of the way far enough just to get it to pull it out. Oh, and the big connector and stuff like that holds it in. I like to use see, you push the tab here and it lifts up, but usually it doesn't lift up high enough in order to clear the knuckle part of it. So I use yay to pop it out the rest of the way. Go in between it like here, pop it out like that. But once you get this off, you're gonna have some Torx bits right here. I believe you're gonna need T15, T25, T27s, and a Phillips head. Those are all the different Torx bit for this thing. But this piece here, this right here will just disconnect. Like yay. It'll come off the rest of the way once it's actually out. And then these 2 clips right here, they squeeze in, lift up, and they'll spread out. That way it'll allow the actually bulb itself to come out. Let's see, I'll do it real quick. Get my hand. Like that. Like that. And the bulb itself comes out. There's 2 little indentations. One here, one here, one here. So it'll be to line up the bulb and stuff like that. You can't really put it in wrong. Plus, the connector itself just faces down at the bottom. But once it's back in there, you'll see how it just clips on like yay. All this does is just wrap around that little piece right there to hold the actual bulb itself in place. So I'm going to finish up with that, put everything all back together. I've already tested out the driver's side and I know it works, so I'll rehook it back up here before I completely install it, turn it on, make sure that everything works, and then reassemble everything back together. These little indentations, there's line-up pegs right in here, so it'll just go push itself right in and get it all flushed back up, and then you'll be able to put the screws back in. But other than that, not too bad. This pays 3 hours per the manual, but I'm going on about an hour or so, and so I should have it down here in about 15-20 minutes, putting it all back together. Fun part is just getting everything apart. Stuff hadn't been apart before, it kind of sticks, so that's normal. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.